Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is Pure Stone Heart once again. And then what we're going to do for today's video guys is mag-unboxing ulit tayo. Meron na naman akong in order. I ordered another pair of shoes, of course, to my favorite online seller. Online shop, which I used to do. Okay, so this is what I've ordered, guys, and I'm so excited because very nice shoes, the color itself, and I love this one. So let's do and go with me for this unboxing. Okay. This one is a Fila shoes. I'm so excited with this one, guys. I really like this one. Oh, wow. Oh my God. See? This is amazing. The size is a 9.5 US. Really? Very nice. See the spike? And the other one is here. Again, Fila shoes. OMG. So very black one, guys, still the same Fila shoes. I'm so excited to wear these two pair of shoes. There you have it, guys. For those who did not like and subscribe my channel, please do subscribe by clicking subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.